I have one last slide in the last 2 minutes. So I asked PyPal this thing, so it is important how you are constructing your prompt. How can I import a module in my project._py file while the module name functions.py file is located in subdirectory name library. So you have to be very elaborative. Okay, so it gives me options like this from library import functions, or like this from library.functions import the function name directly. Okay, and it also specify that the structure, directory structure, should be similar to this one, and we already have that one, and it automatically created __init__.py file. Okay, there is a challenging task for you. You can do that at home. Just put project_5.py file in another subdirectory. Create another subdirectory called main while keeping everything same. Just move this project_5 in a main directory. So just like library, create the same another folder main and drag project_5 into that directory. Okay, and then try running it. So your project should look like this. So 10 projects or whatever, library and main. Okay. All right, this is it for today. Thank you very much, and good luck for your exam.